Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also turn on the notification bell just so you know when next I upload a new video. So guys, yesterday I posted a short video on my WhatsApp status, and it was about this beautiful cookware set right here. And I also asked that if people wanted to see a full video of what was inside the box, they should let me know, and I was going to do a video, and that is why I am making this video. Plus, I've had this set for like 3 months now, and I've only used one of the items inside, but I think it was just because I really wanted to do an unboxing video, which I never really got to do. So this is me unboxing my cookware set. It's a 35 pieces German cookware set, very good quality, trust me guys. It didn't come cheap, but upon opening the box I knew that I paid good money for it. So just in case a lot of people are interested, just like people were already showing interest on my WhatsApp status, I will put details of where I got it from and how much I got it in my description box, just so that if you're interested you can just call up the number. I think you can only get it if you're in Lagos. I don't know if you're outside Lagos. I don't know if they have a delivery package or whatever. This is not a PR video, so maybe when you guys call up the number they can explain how that other one works. But this is me unboxing my new 35 pieces cookware set. I'm very proud of myself because this is like the most expensive item in my kitchen right now. Like, I can't even believe I spent that much money on it, but trust me, this is good money. So let's get right into the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please pause, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and then I'll see you guys in the video. You probably will not see my face again, but let's just get right into the video before I talk too much. So guys, once you open this, you see an overview of everything that is in the package. So the first thing is a 28 by 17 centimeters casserole, 26 by 16, 20 by 12, 16 by 8, a frying pan that actually has a cover, and a 16 by 8 saucepan. We also have a steamer, a mixing bowl, a wire whisk, potato basket, 3 pieces stainless steel tools, that's things that you can use in frying, and then I think a scooping spoon, grate, these 4 pieces pot mat, 5 pieces knife set, and 2 pieces of glove. Then we also have this suction lock. So these are the gloves, 2 pieces. This is the knife set. That's the first thing you see once you open the carton. Then you also see this that has a picture of everything and this lovely couple. So I'll put that aside. Guys, this has to be my absolute favorite of this whole set. This is a frying pan. This is the heaviest frying pan I've seen in my life. Trust me, it feels heavier than my pot, like my heaviest pot, and the quality is great. So that's the frying pan. This is the saucepan. I had to go and bring this from my kitchen. This is the only item from here that I've been using. So one of the things that I noticed about this set is the fact that the covers of the pots actually have a thermometer. So one of the things that I noticed about this set is the fact that the covers of the pots actually have a thermometer. So that's the saucepan. So now once you take out this package here and you see everything inside, so I'm going to start with this small pot right here. This small pot, this is the casserole, 16 by 8 casserole, and it's the same size as the saucepan, just that this has a long handle and this has a usual double handle, and that's the cover. It also has the same thermometer as the saucepan that I showed you earlier. Then these knobs, I really don't know how they work yet, but I guess I'll figure it out as soon as I start to use them properly. So next thing is, let me take out the wire whisk. This will really come in handy for me when I'm baking, or when I'm just beating eggs, or when I'm making my yogurt and all of that. Trust me, very useful. Then these are my stainless steel 3 pieces set. This is for frying, this is for your stew, this is for frying. Like, I can literally see myself in here. So the next thing is let me see, this pot here is the next size after the 16 by 8. This is 20 by 12. And another thing I also noticed about the pots is the fact that they have calibrations inside, like it tells you the number of liters that the pot is. So this is a 3 liter. The saucepan is 1.5, same as this 16 by 8 casserole is also 1.5. So this is a 3 liter pot, and this is the cover. So the next thing is this mixing bowl here. So the mixing bowl actually has a cover. That's cool. I can actually think of so many things I can use this for. So this is good that it actually has a cover. That's great. So the next item is the potato basket with handle. I don't know why it's called a potato basket. I can think of so many things I can use it. So I can use it to fry things. So this is the handle. I just fixed that in, and that's that. Then the next thing is the steamer. Very important for the moi moi makers and all of that. Then we have this pot. This is the second biggest pot here. This is 7 liters. Very big and very heavy. But still, I feel the frying pan is the heaviest. And this, oh, this is not the cover. This should be the cover. Yes, that's the cover. Let me set it aside. And this pot here, yes, the biggest pot is 9 liters, and trust me, I only use this size when I'm actually cooking for a family function, so like a mini family function. And this is the cover. Wow. Okay. And the last item that I'm not showing you guys is the grate. So this you can use for carrots, salads, cabbages, you know, all of that good stuff. And there we have it, 35 pieces.